Really welcome the simplicity of this headlamp. This is made by EverBrite. They come in different colors. You get your charging via USB-C right here. It's got a button on the top and it does adjust. I can put this on. It's got 6 different modes. So you have your green light, white light, and you have different, levels there. It's got a red blinking light, and I just like the simplicity that you kind of go through it. You don't have to like hold it down and know some crazy sequence of events, pressing the buttons to figure out what you're doing. So just want to show you, this is what it's like downstairs, dark. I'll put it on, red, blinking, green, pretty bright. That's my flood. That was a spot before. And there you go. So we just went through the whole thing. So spot, flood, flood brighter. And it's bright enough. It's also adjustable on your head. If you want to, you're working down low, you can adjust it just like all other headlamps. But I just really welcome the simplicity of this thing. You just cycle through real quick, put it on, and you're off to the races.